Hello friends, welcome to my channel. There is an art show in Ravindra Bharati, Hyderabad on 3rd November. It is a cultural traditional art show, and in this art show there are professional artists and budding artists are participating, and there are altogether 50 artists in this show. And here we'll be showing the traditional cultural art of India on sarees and dhoti kurta, and the artists will be wearing and doing the cultural walk in Ravindra Bharati on 3rd. So please come and encourage all of us. The timings are on 3rd November 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. In this show, the artists are mothers, daughters, great grandmothers and grandmothers, and there are fathers and sons too participating in this show. This type of cultural art show is first time in Hyderabad. It is very unique. The main purpose of the show is to connect art with the people. Those interested in learning professional art courses can contact me. My details are in this video and below this video in description, and for more information on art, do click the link of my website in about in my channel. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel, friends. Thank you. Keep watching. See you. Bye bye.